Hey guys, this is Code with Shark. Today we are going to be making this firework engine. First, let's create a new project. Go into the cat, delete the costume 2, and we're going to draw a red circle. And we're going to edit it a little. And also I'm gonna credit to Griff Patrick because he taught me this method. And now, as you can see, I made this, and I'm just gonna edit it for a while. I like it like that. So I can do, when clicked, new variable, clone ID. For this sprite only, set clone ID to 1. And also, we need to create a clone of myself. Also, we need to put in a show and put in a hide here. And when I start out as a clone, if put in an equal clone ID equals to 1, we want it first to go to X, pick a random, X negative 240 and 240, and Y negative 180. New variable for this part only called color. Set color to pick random 1 to 100 and set color effect to color. And also we need a new variable called Y for this part only. Set Y to pick random 10 to 15. Repeat, pick random 20 to 25. Change Y by Y and set Y to Y minus 0.4, as you can see. And now we want it to make like our boom effect. So we need to make a new block, run without screen refresh, set clone ID to 2, repeat 30, I'm going to change it to 60, create clone myself, and turn 15 degrees. And when I start out as a clone, we can actually just duplicate this script. So we need to add in a 2 right there. And we need a few variables. We want to keep a few things. We need a variable X pose for this part only, and Y pose for this part only. And we're going to put down here, set Y pose to Y position and duplicate that X pose to X position. And we want it to go to X pose here and Y pose here. New variable called X for this part only. Set X to pick random 10 to 15, and we want it to move X steps and set X to X minus 0.4, as you can see. And we also want to put here a 20. And here we want to put in a switch to costume. And when you make a new costume, we can duplicate costume 1. And we need to edit this a little. I'm just going to make it longer a bit and make it a little higher. Now as you can see, if we put boom right here, and also here when you put in switch to costume 1, and here switch to costume 2, as you can see. And also we can change this to 30. And we put in a if touching edge. Delete this clone because it doesn't look that good when it's like touching the edge. It's stuck. Now as you can see, you also need to set the X to a certain number, which we can set it to like around 15. Which looks pretty cool. Also, here when you put in delete this clone, and you see it looks really cool. There's this cool effect, and we can put in here change ghost effect by 5. As you can see, it looks really cool now. And now we want it to be like kind of infant. So we want to do forever, repeat 2, wait 0 seconds. And we also want to put here a wait 2 to 3 seconds. 2 to 3. As you can see, it works properly. And now you also kind of want a background. Like you can, I'm just making a quick background now. As you see, our engine is starting to work a lot better. And also we want some sound, and I got this sound from Sharky, so credit to Sharky. And now we want to start the sound firework here, as you can see. We can uncheck all these variables Finally, we want a new variable. I mean a new costume. Make it red again. Happy New Year to 2022. And we can make this a little bigger. And when green flag is clicked, wait 5 seconds, set clone ID to 3, and clone myself. And we can just duplicate this and change this clone ID to 3, switch costume to 2, switch costume to 3, and we want it to go to 0, 0. We want it to set ghost effect to 100. Repeat 25. Change ghost by -4. Duplicate this. We can put 8 in here. 60. Change color effect by, we can change it by 2. Duplicate this one more time, and then we want to put in here, change ghost effect by 4, and delete a clone. Delete this clone. And now if we try, it works. Just okay. And that is the end of today's episode.